I want to know if you have lost your Mavic Mini. A while back I posted a video about some connection issues that I had flying around a hotel while I was bringing my CE drone to the US. Looking back at that event, I probably picked the worst spot in the universe to fly my drone because the facility was so polluted in terms of Wi-Fi, as well as flying close to clear water would have confused the sensors, leading to some of the sensor errors that I saw. So this has nothing to do with that. This video is not related to that incident. But the other day I was scrolling through the more than 466 comments that were made on that video, and I was kind of blown away how many that have reported that they actually lost their Mavic Mini. So this is the reason why I've decided to make this video. It's really sad to read all the comments below that video. I've reposted some of them here below so you can read them while you're watching the rest of this video. I'm really sorry about your loss. This is no way to enter the drone hobby. Many will say, yeah, well, this is nothing. DJI sold millions of these drones. We actually don't know how many they sold, and we actually don't know how many that have experienced the problems. That's another reason to back up behind this video. A few of you have said DJI, they don't give a about what you are saying and the problems that you're having with your Mavic Mini. But if you guys are actually seeing these problems, then make sure to fill in your story below, because if we can accumulate many stories about this under a single video and also giving it a like, that will make it push out to further audience that can put in their comments, then we might be able to get the attention of DJI, or at least to establish if we have a general problem or not. Does this mean that I will stop producing content for the Mavic Mini? Not at all. There's a lot of you out there that are actually happy with the Mavic Mini, and of course I will continue to produce content that will help you make the best out of your purchase. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell next to it so you don't miss out on my weekly tips, tests and tutorials and updates on potential issues with the Mavic Mini. I'm not out to bash the Mavic Mini. I actually think it's a fantastic drone, and it's a great engineering achievement that DJI has been capable of pushing that amount of features or power into a tiny drone of 249 grams. But as it's marketed as a beginner drone, it's really sad to lose it because the hardware was built too cheap. Well, it's only $500, some would say, but please respect, $500 is a lot of money for some, taking out of an ordinary household. And you're in your full right to expect quality from the #1 drone maker in the world. Then some others will say, oh, you're getting a lot for your money. Yeah, okay, you're getting a nice drone for $500, but the other competitors are actually catching up. Just take a look at the Hobson Xeno 2 that actually offers quite a lot more performance for the same price point. Hint, hint, 4K, 60 FPS, also at a 3-axis stabilized gimbal. Disclaimer, I don't have that drone, so I don't actually know how it performs. But from the spec sheet, it looks kind of encouraging. So just to summarize, if you had any serious issues with your Mavic Mini or have even lost it, then make sure to throw in a comment below. Also make sure to hit the like button if you like this video. If you didn't like it, then you're also free to hit the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back on the next one.